Let's learn and grow. I is for Igloo. Let's make it. Let's also make a background. A cute little penguin as well. Nice! Let's color it now. Let's start with black inside the igloo and penguin. Let's color the rest of the igloo light blue. Dark green for the trees. A little bit of brown for the tree trunks. Now orange. Dark blue for the edges. Now let's blend it. Our igloo is so cool. Look at that cute little penguin. Looks like it wants to know what's inside. Maybe some fish? Who knows? Anyways, thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in description. Please like, share and subscribe.